Perano, when by the Sangaza, no so Kumiri Majavuka. That's my focus. If you're from a video, you haven't had me talk about it. I hear you about to very excited. Abamba lokwe positioning tiza jakuba kino jakuba kino so alikuwa nzi wasobole okuboneka babecho ayinga I think that it is premature at this stage isoka tukalikulayira therefore we are not candidates for anything government ekali ne katambula so ekyo kiri kutambula kityo aye ekizu kyatulina nti eri abantu abakizokozesebwa era bakakozesebwa duzi ndi ku radio na udabalanda ngakoba ati nebugusa ku nsonga ya lukikolwa lyeganga mateko anti bankobera nakoba nti really ayi kamba somero baruwa todonga yawandiika yajwa tutaga January 5 nga address to meeting district and city chairpersons. I'm not one of them. Administrative assistant, administrative secretaries, that's not me. West Nile, Acholi, and Obusoga. Oh, the Valley Kogerako. Yeah, copy, second National Vice Chairperson, Obuchara. Copy, National Vice Chairperson, North. Not even North, and yet, here I know what the Kobuja, what the North. And I was Chairperson Eastern. From Secretary General. Meeting of district leaders with H. the President, National Chairman. Text. As we wind up mobilization, for the 25-26 general elections, President and other party national chairman will be meeting the following categories of leaders from the sub-region of West Nile, Acholi, and Obusoga. They are A. Interim party leaders as follows. Akomukaga didn't go get a Zungu. Oluzungu now the P1. So Oluzungu to get a bulungi. All NRM city chairpersons. I'm not a state chairperson. I'm not a district chairperson. NRM municipality and city division chairpersons. I'm not one of them. NRM sub-county town council municipality division chairpersons. Yunzirayo. Parish ward. Abomuluka. NRM village persons. Yunzirayo ku village. Abona watu beayita. Muchaitegereza. Abona watu beayita. Then ekyokubiri sitting local government leaders who are NRM. Sitting district chairpersons and city mayors. Yunzirayo. Sitting NRM municipality and city division mayors. Nzirayo. Sub-county town council and municipality division chairpersons. Tiliwa igombolora. Parish level and ward chairpersons. Zati chairman wa Muluka. All sitting village LC1 chairpersons. Abuna watu beayita. Gaziraya kobanti I want the members of parliament. I think I told you. So baru antiyali mu kintu ekyo. Tikyali mu flag bearers with the meeting eno. Bitiyali abantu bano. So babandoka nebugusa. Neza ategera Oluzungu ndi kwogera. Eminde baruwa wabanga agizira njimusomere. I was not invited. I was not part of the invitees. So oyo twabirekawo. Ekyokubiri ndiko nayo nti babalanda unalonda mu kyalo kyange. Nali pano okumpalampa. Bano batikizi, tubikizi. Era government yakobanga nti qualifications the RDC over deputy. Uno kwa ni HSC. Kisala kyatuuka. Nakwa nti I will mpereza amaina gabasaza. Lwaki twaleyo kumwala. Nano ni abagala mukamuli omwo abasoma ku wakati tuli bize tuli eno na. Ive kyando ko babalanda. Azira senior 6, azira senior 4. Azira certificate yona. Na jinga recommendation na presentation ti dembula muku kubona omwala. Dembula muku omwala omusoga ajja fuka radis. Babalanda nizira mutwala together with the on the same day. Now andike baruwa ndalagera abantu ababiri. That's how Babalanda came to be a deputy RDC. Kumandi gange kujinga baruwa kuba yale zira biwandiko. Ndoze cyo mukizi so mukola akantu kaifikani. So wakoba ati tiendeza abantu neendeza mwene tienda atu babafeyo yogera togera muna Obusoga katonawo.
Allow me to thank the Right Honorable Rebecca Alitwala Kadaga, who trusted and engaged me in her political mobilization. Through political engagements and mobilization, I got a chance to meet with His Excellency, the President, who identified me from the many cadres because of my special appeal and commitment and the love I had for my country. Mukiseera n'ekirala nenda okwebaza mukaire waife mu ngeri ey'endawulo Right Honorable Rebecca Alitwala Kadaga eyasobola okunkozesa mu mobilization ya Obusoga era ekyansobozesa n'owekitiibwa President okumbona n'asobola okunkozesa mu mobilization eya Uganda yona yona. He directed me to come up with a proposal to mobilize the lower earners under the umbrella of Obusoga Rural Development Association. I was later appointed Deputy RDC Busia, where I served a very short time. Your Excellency, you remember it was only 2 years. And in 2015, the President put me in his mobilization office at Imbuya, the office of the NRM National Chairman, where I deputized Honorable Moleka Mukama, the former PPS, to His Excellency the President.
So, Abasoga mulikuulira omuntu wiikere ali ku radio ngakatendesa abantu tenda abantu bakule mwene alibyogera yali bukungu nalizira yonna kollo zira linjire ntungamu ngakyaza president yamukati president singa Kadaga tiyambona nandeta tiwandimbo ine mwene tyali yotona mukati yogera kino yabyogera mwene. So ndikwenda kusaba modo bide babalanda ikaikana enta wadde okugula toida disobola nekindi abantu ndoza bwovegala mino otuka otasubira ogwera kuba omuntu oyo ngano ne speech dawandika dakora bamuwandikira buwandikire yasoma word for word rago omusamu ekibuzo tasobola kiramu oyo babalanda ati byogera ku ebyo twaitu byogera ayi nga basitwire omutwe zena kamba ko bire emigumako alina omuntu abaira muyamba ministry yo kwandika speeches okola research ndi Faruku Kirundi abarenga arandika ministry ni Faruku timire Faruku nabarenga ministry olwa capacity. So ndikwenda ekyo mukimane ekindi alina omusego wa blackmail ekifo kyakifuna lwa ku blackmail nga sitambayo yam blackmail kusaba mutwano ministry ya ngoje omunivo gogo gwa kujja ku airport kuuba ngobutu ali kutambula nokuira oja wasimbala ini ngomukolaize nebyo then okwa point ka disesira kindi kuno munivo kwakola.
Right Honorable olwe balaza wiki eno yene